Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. Dear followers of the Mathematics with Ayman Abdullah channel everywhere, welcome to the presentation method. How to deal with Mathematics Olympiad problems and how to solve them very easily. Many people in the comments ask me how we can reach the solution, how can I solve the problem very easily. At the beginning, you need to learn and observe more than one idea and more than one problem. This is the start to seeing ideas, not just merely see the vision. Mathematics does not only require vision, mathematics requires paper and pen, noting and recording ideas and skills. What idea does this problem discuss? For instance, if it's a geometry problem, we discuss the idea of the external angle. So I must know what the external angle equals, the sum, the measure of the two remote angles. I record this observation, I note it in my notebook. Then I look at other diverse problems. For example, how in a right triangle problem with two sides and wanting the third side, I start to understand that I will use the Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, I should know it and how to apply it. Without this idea, another theory, and so in another problem, I encounter another one presenting a new concept. For example, a problem with a circle with two tangents and an external point. What does the tangent theorem say? The tangent theorem says that one tangent equals the other tangent. You start to connect and recording 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You end up with a compilation of 10 ideas for various problems. You begin to connect them. The idea comes to you on how to look for the easiest ways to reach a quick solution. As for mathematical problems, how to deal with them easily. Mathematical problems, so you can handle them easily and solve equations easily. You have a stockpile of skills. Vedic mathematics that we discussed in previous episodes, more than one episode, along with mathematics skills. You must master these skills. Master these skills extensively. It will make a big difference when dealing with solving questions. Olympiad or intelligence questions. In intelligence questions, we deal with them without using a calculator in a very short time. We observe your way of thinking. We see your creativity in how you will reach the solution. So how does all this come about? All this comes, of course, from having a stock of recorded in a notebook for you for mathematics. You know that you see in the problems more than just one idea. You record the ideas and use them, and you start experimenting with new ideas to develop yourself. You find yourself in the future able to solve any problem you encounter with God's help and thanks to God, because you connect what? Tawfiq itisa between all the events together, theories, rules, observations. You have a store and you connect every problem you see. I present a problem that contains new ideas or an existing idea that is combined with another idea to give us another problem, and so on. I wish everyone success, God willing. Thank you.